don't skip even a single second of video guys, because in today's video I will show you the instrument cluster of the all new upcoming Hyundai Alcazar, which will launch in India on 18th of June. Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are good at your homes and doing well at your homes. I'm making this video in English, and as you know that not everyone can understand Hindi very much, and this video is for all of my viewers who want a video in English of Hyundai Alcazar.
This car has many special features which make this car very special, very value for money.
On the front end we get a cascading grille of Hyundai family, and with a dark chrome it looks very premium, and I may say this car is a mini Palisade, the flagship SUV of Hyundai. And if I tell you the features, we get 360-degree camera in this car. So for that we have a front camera, we have camera on this side, ORVMs, and also we have a rear camera. And if I tell you about the quality of the camera, then that is mind blowing. This camera is really very good in clarity. I have seen the camera in night because the car was in stockyard. They didn't allow me to record the video or take any photos, but I see the quality, and quality was just phenomenal. This car was so good. Like, camera quality is amazing. I have never seen a car with so good 360-degree camera. And if I talk about headlight, we get the same headlight like we get in Creta, tri-LED headlight. And also if I tell you the main thing, that we get a fog lamp which are LED this time. Yes, Hyundai didn't give yellow fog lamps like they did with Creta. They gave LED fog lamps with this car. So this car has all white LED lights in the front, and in its segment this car has the longest wheelbase, and it is 120 longer wheelbase than Creta, and also its length is 200 longer than Creta, so making it very spacious car. And if we tell about many more features of this car and side profile of this car, then we get 18-inch alloy wheels in this car, 4 disc brakes, like 2 disc brake at the front and 2 disc brake at the rear. Also we get a request sensor on the driver door handle, and also segment first thing is we get footrest as well. Footrest is quite well, and it is well integrated into the body, so making this car very unique. And also we get a puddle lamp under the outside rear view mirror, which project the Hyundai logo on the road when we lock or unlock the car. And there are many settings in the instrument cluster which I will show you later in this video, so stay tuned till end. And if I tell you about the rear profile of this car, then rear profile is also very amazing, and we get very big lights, LED lights, and when they glow they look like this. And also we get 4 parking sensor at rear, and also a rear parking camera which I already showed you before. We get a Alcazar branding with chrome under the Hyundai logo. We get a rear defogger, rear wiper, rear washer, and also we get a twin muffler exhaust. And also one more thing which make this car upmarket is we get shark fin antenna. And if I tell you about the boot space of this car, then we get the 180 liters of boot space, which in my opinion is very good, because in Alto 800 we get a 177 liters of boot space. So this is more than that, and I think this is good. And even also if we like fold the third row seat or the middle row seat, like we can make this car very practical. And also this car is really very practical. If I tell you about the boot, then we do not get electric tailgate in this car. Yes guys, sorry for this, but we don't get electric tailgate in this car. And MG Hector is the only car in this segment which is coming with the electric tailgate in its top model. So here we have a good competition, MG Hector Plus. Guys, this car comes with many segment first feature in it, and I will show you all the features of this car in the video later on. Before going further, I want you to show the seat configuration of this car. We have 2 variants, like we will get 2 options, 6-seater option or a 7-seater option. In 7-seater option, as you can see, there is a simple bench in the middle, but on the other hand, in a 6-seater variant you will have captain seat in the middle row, and also you will have a very special armrest in the middle, which I will show you later in the video. If I talk about the front door, then we get a very beautiful tan leather upholstery, and car is really very upmarket. It's very good quality material used by Hyundai in this car. We get a 8-way electrically adjustable driver seat. We get a fully digital instrument cluster, 10.25-inch LED display, and here on front of your screen you are seeing the fully digital instrument cluster, which is really very crisp, very HD, and it gives you a lot of information, and it is really very smart. You get lot of themes, you get driving mode, traction mode in this car, and also you get a very special features called blind view monitor. That means whenever you will turn on your right indicator, the right hand camera on the ORVM will turn on your instrument cluster, and whenever you will turn on the left indicator, left hand side camera will turn on. If I talk about this steering is same, ditto same as we get in Hyundai Creta, and also we get a anti-skid mat at the center dashboard, which is very good that company provided it. Although if I talk about the main dashboard view, then dashboard looks like this, and it is really very premium. We get a auto climate control, we get traction control, we get drive mode, traction modes, we get 360-degree camera, 10.25-inch infotainment system, and also we get BlueLink car connectivity, which make this car connected car. This car is very smart. We have voice command, like we will say hello BlueLink, open sunroof, then sunroof will open. We get a large panoramic sunroof in this car. We get electric parking brake with auto hold feature. We get ventilated driver side and passenger side seat. We get a air purifier in this car with a secondary display for the rear passengers also. We get rear AC vent in this car. And if I talk about many more features of this car, then we get the best ambient lighting in this car. Yes guys, we get 64 color ambient light in this car, which is best in its segment, and in night it's look really awesome. And many more practical features, like we get a expandable sun visor, we get Bose audio system. Yes guys, we get 8 speaker Bose audio system, and if you are a audiophile, like you love music, then this car is for you. And if I talk about the rear windows, we get sunshade on both the windows, so making this car a private car, like a much more premium car. And also we get 2 tables on the back of the front seats, and that tables are like they can hold your tablet, they have a cup holder embedded in them, so making this car a very smart car to be sit in. And also I already showed you the rear armrest that we get in the 6-seater variant. In that armrest, what we are getting is the wireless mobile charger. Guys, I forgot to tell you about that we get 2 wireless chargers in this car, one at the front and one at the rear in the armrest in the 6-seater variant. And also guys, if I go to the third row seat, in the third row seat we get one touch tumble down middle row seat, and you can easily go to the third row seat. Third row seats are really very practical, really very spacious, but here I want to clear that these seats are only for the children, not for the adult. Children can sit there happily. They have a separate AC vent there with a fan speed controller, and also they have a USB charging point on the both side. Like on the right hand side you have a USB point, on the left hand side also you have a USB point in the third row. So thumbs up Hyundai, thumbs up. Really, I'm very happy reviewing this car. I'm really happy after watching this car, because this car is really a no nonsense car. This is a car, really a good car. So guys, main competition for this car is MG Hector Plus and Tata Safari. And if Hyundai will set the prices very competitively, or may launch the car with the introductory price, then surely this car will blast the market and go to the moon, and it will overtake all the cars on Indian roads. This is a really very good car. I hope you enjoyed the video very much, and this was all about for today. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, Tata, bye bye.